Hello and welcome to Hari.com Marketplace. I'm your host, Benita Perucci. Hari.com is a new online marketplace, veteran and family owned, that focuses on art, antiques, crafts, and collectibles. We opened 4 months ago and we've been working on our website about 3 years. This is our first podcast, so please be patient with us as we work to navigate this new medium. If you are a collector, an art enthusiast, or love crafting, Hari.com is designed for you. Sellers can open a store on Hari.com for $10 a month or $100 a year. That's it, no extra fees. To shop, click the login button and become a member for free, and you may start shopping. Vendors save on their overhead costs, making it more economical for them to sell their items, and the savings can then be passed on to the shoppers with more competitive prices. The low cost relates to savings for our sellers as well as our shoppers. It's a win-win for all. To find out more information, go to Hari.com, click open the menu button, and select the About section. Now here's the most interesting feature that sets us apart from other marketplaces. Hari.com encourages the vendors to link their personal websites to Hari.com. Again, you may not have this freedom with other marketplaces, and this provides the vendors with much more flexibility and control over their online presence. Hari.com encourages the vendors to link to their personal websites. Whether you are a seasoned collector looking for a hidden gem, or an artist seeking to share your work with the world, or if you just love to craft and you're looking to earn some extra income, Hari.com welcomes you with open arms. We take pride in connecting with a vast array of independent stores who are offering their own distinct products. In our future podcast, we are excited to visit with artists, woodworkers, crafters, and collectors, all giving you some insight into their area. Thank you again for visiting with us today, and hope to see you soon.